Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks. Today coming to you with a lock pin by WestCoastPicks entitled The Stranger. Oops, here's the bidding on it. A pretty decent little bidding. Anyway, let's dig into this and see what we got, shall we? So got a new tension wrench just for Wisers because they're can be a monstrous pain in my ass. And since I love picking West Coast Pick stuff, I need to have some love available to do this. You know, and if you've never picked a Wiser before, it has a hugely massive it's wide. It's a huge keyway. Make sure nothing's falling down. A little bit of movement off of 6 there. 5. There we go. We got our sweet. Awesome, man. To tell you what, it's this brand new tension wrench I got. That's the ticket right there. Anyway, let's go ahead and open the sucker up and see what we got, shall we? And I love West Coast Picks stuff. It's just good, you know? It's just good. Anyway, here we go. Let's see if my little tool works on this. Oh, hey! It does, which is pretty cool. All right. You know we need a shimmy, shimmy, shake. I like to shim damn near everything, and I learned this also from West Coast Picks. Shim every challenge lock because you never know what it's going to be. So, there's that. And let's see if we can see the magic here. Oh, let's get a little bit closer. Pow! Alright, magic time. Magic time. Sweet. So we have a spoolie, serration, double serration, spool kind of, and a serration. And up in the core, looks like we have threading in 3 and 5, and looks like that's about it. So let's dig into the Bible, shall we? I could just find my tweezers. All right, and here we go. Sorry about that. Oh, my shim's still in the way. I pulled number 1 out. Look at that wonky son of a gun. Holy cow. It's like I just got random thrashing in it, it looks like. It's number 2. Let's show you the springs because typically West Coast Picks puts different springs in almost everything. Oh, no spring in that. Nice. Standard on 3. Oh, no. Don't have a standard on 3. Oh, it doesn't look like there's a spring in that one. Oh, there's got to be a spring in there. That's 4. 4. Oh, that was 5. Shooting out of there. There's 5. Nice. So, up in the Bible, it looks like we have Nothing done up there. So this lock again was pinned by WestCoastPicks entitled The Stranger. Here are the pins. Let's do the super groove here. So you have a serration, a spool, serration, spool, serration, and then it's just like almost like random clinks in the sword, so to speak. I mean, like there's something there. There's something there. I mean, it's just little dinks and chings. It's really cool, man. Really cool. Anyway, this is K1 Lock saying, be safe, be legal, and be the lock.